Hello and welcome to our mathematics class today. My name remains Mr. Dickson. In today's class, we want to solve question C part of the trigonometric identity. The question says, show that in bracket 3 minus sine square theta, close bracket, cosec square theta is equal to 2 cosec square theta plus cot square theta. So now, question like this, you are to prove that the left hand side is equal to the right hand side, or the right hand side is equal to the left hand side. So in order to do this, you need to start with the left hand side. I always advise my students, start with the left hand side. So with the left hand side, looking at the question, you can expand, remove the bracket by expanding this expression. So straight away, you can multiply 3 by cosec square theta. You have 3 cosec square theta. Then you multiply sine square theta by cosec square theta. You have minus sine square theta cosec square theta. So with this, your business now is to look at the expression and look at the right hand side. What would I do? What identity will I bring in to be able to introduce cot or take away sine square theta? And remember, cosec square theta is the same thing as 1 all over sine square theta. So immediately we can substitute that. Okay, so this equation now is 3 cosec square theta minus sine square theta. Then times 1 over sine square theta, because cosec square theta is something as 1 over sine square theta. So you divide it at once, sine square theta. Okay, so now with this, I can also say that 3 cosec square theta minus 1, because sine square theta divided by sine square theta is equal to 1. Now we got to this point by looking at this expression. We are also looking for a way to eliminate 1 and make sure we introduce identity that will aid us to introduce cot. Now, we recall identity. Remember, in one of our videos, we proved the identity that 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosec square theta. If you can recall this identity, with this identity, we can make 1 the subject of the equation, which we will obtain cosec square theta minus cot square theta. So with this identity now, you see that 1 is equal to the whole of this. That means in this very expression, I can recall that 3 cosec square theta, instead of minus 1, instead of this minus 1, I will now substitute the whole of this in place of minus 1. So I'm going to have minus cosec square theta, then plus, because minus and minus is plus, plus cot square theta. So we have gotten to this point. What is the next step? The next step is to look at it. These 3 cosec square theta and cosec square theta are alike. So that means we can easily say 3 cosec square theta minus cosec square theta. That will give us 2 cosec square theta, then plus cot square theta. Now let us look at the question. We have been able to obtain the right hand side. That means this is equal to the right hand side. Right hand side has been proven. So you have 2 cosec square theta, 2 cosec square theta plus cot square theta. So anytime you see a proving question, don't just be panicked. All you need to do is to keep solving it the way it is and check the identity that will aid you to eliminate some of the trigonometric ratios and introduce the one you need, and keep, as you are solving, maybe from the left hand side, keep checking the right hand side so that you will not solve in isolation. All right, now we're going to move to a short break. As we return, we will solve multiple questions on trigonometric identities. Thank you.